Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
Suppose the full video song on YouTube and you want to have an MP3 version of it, let me show you how to do it. So on YouTube, you can go search for the song you want, like I'm searching for Michael Jackson Thriller. So when I search for that, I find that there is a full version of it here. So I click on that. Once I click on that, I take the URL from that song, from the YouTube song, and go to this website. I'll share the link of this website where you can convert to MP3. You can paste the URL you just copied and click on convert now. And also this I found this site to be the safest and doesn't create all junk URLs and stuff like that. So I will share this link, and it's actually converting the video song into an MP3. So the MP3 is ready. So don't click on anything else. Just wait for that blue button to be indicating that it's ready for download. Click on download. And once it's downloaded, the quality of the music file is as good as the video song. So hope this helps you. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.